Hi guys, Lewis Howard here, and today we're doing a review on my Panther OPS MRP Cal 45 BB gun. My brother brought me this off his little holiday. But yep, so it's my new BB gun. We're going to do a test and I'm going to tell you a bit about it. So open it up. It's got red, there were bullets in there but there aren't anymore. I've already loaded it and cocked it ready, so let's take it out. Yep, so metal, mainly metal, some plastic. It's got good iron sights. I'm a bit shaky. Yep, so let's do a little shooting test. Okay then, time for the shooting test. One down. Okay, both down. Good. So that is the overall of this gun. It's an amazing BB gun pistol. Hope to see you soon in other videos of the BB gun and much more.